When you think of Tulum, you picture turquoise water folding into powdery white sand, jungle vines framing ancient stone, and that effortless boho luxe energy that's equal parts wild and refined. In 2026, Tulum's all-inclusive scene has matured into something deliciously varied. From whisper-quiet wellness retreats to family playgrounds and adults-only hideaways with private plunge pools, we've scoured the city for the 12 best all-inclusive resorts in Tulum. Vivid, specific, and built to help viewers decide which vibe suits them best. We'll move from practical and playful up to full-on romance and variety. Breathe the salt air and let each property's character sink in. By the way, all the Expedia links for these resorts are in the description if you'd like to check prices or book your stay. 12. Siente Tulum. Siente is the pragmatic starter on our list. A tidy 3-star all-inclusive in the hotel zone that covers the essentials. Think simple 2-bedroom suites, a modest outdoor pool with sunbeds, and a buffet and snack bar serving approachable, crowd-pleasing food. Free Wi-Fi and parking keep logistics easy, and daily housekeeping means you won't sweat the small stuff. This is for families and groups who prefer spending on cenote trips and tacos rather than thread counts. If you want clean, comfortable, and reliably affordable beach access in Tulum without the bells and whistles, Siente does the job. 11. Ana y Jose Hotel and Spa. Ana y Jose reads like a private hacienda on the sand. Under 50 rooms, many with private plunge pools or jacuzzis, rooftop terraces, and a calm garden restaurant. The spa centers on hydrotherapy, steam rooms, whirlpools, and hands-on massages. So wellness feels tactile and intentional. Dining is boutique, fresh ceviches, grilled seafood, and relaxed beachside service. Guests praise the personalized touches, staff who remember your drink of choice, late-night grills under the stars. It's a charming, low-key romantic pick for honeymooners or small families who want a little luxury without crowds. 10. Cerveceria Tulum Boutique, Hotel and Beer Spa. If you want character with your cocktail, Cerveceria Tulum is the joyful outlier. This adults-oriented boutique property revolves around an on-site brewery and a cheeky beer spa. Yes, beer baths, beer scrubs, the whole craft brew fantasy. The courtyard comes alive at night with live music, themed parties, and a wood-fired pizza oven. Rooms are cozy rather than cavernous, and the vibe is social, spontaneous, and slightly irreverent. Perfect for a friend getaway or a couple who'd rather swap formal dining for good tunes and great local brews. 9. Conrad Tulum Riviera Maya. Conrad brings modern design and scale to the Riviera. The resort blends contemporary architecture with local materials and offers 5 outdoor pools, one with a swim-up bar, around 11 restaurants and bars, and a spa with some 16 treatment rooms. Rooms favor natural textures and either jungle or ocean views. Family-friendly clubs keep younger guests busy, while adults indulge in farm-to-table dining or long spa rituals. Conrad is for travelers who want contemporary luxury and a comprehensive resort program without feeling overstimulated. Eight. Hilton Tulum Riviera. Maya All-Inclusive Resort. Big, bold, and built for variety, the Hilton Tulum is one of the largest properties in the area. Roughly 735 rooms, 13 dining venues, and 9 outdoor pools, including water play and lazy river features. The resort's design leans eco-chic with wood and stone, and it even offers catamaran trips and on-site brewery tours. A full spa and fitness offering keeps adults happy, while kids' clubs and nightly entertainment keep the family rhythm lively. If you're traveling with multiple generations or just want a resort that has literally every option, Hilton's scale is a major selling point. Seven. Secrets Tulum Resort and Beach Club. Secrets is the moodier, sexier sibling on this list, an adults-only unlimited luxurier property with about 301 suites opening onto cenote-like courtyards. The layout includes 4 interconnected pools, 2 rooftop pools, and a beachfront infinity pool that begs for late afternoon cocktails. Secrets. Spa by Pavonia blends indigenous traditions with hydrotherapy, and every suite feels like a private hideaway, many with plunge pools or jacuzzis. It's stylish and social in equal measure, perfect for couples who want romance, elevated service, and a chic beachfront club scene. Six. Bahia Principe Luxury Sian Kaan. Sian Kaan is the boutique, adults-only whisper in the Bahia Principe family. Tucked a little deeper into the jungle, it offers intimate, well-spaced suites, a private lagoon-style pool, and 4 on-site restaurants and bars. The clever part, guests enjoy shuttle access to the amenities of the larger Bahia Principe resorts, beaches, spa services, and extra dining. So you get boutique privacy with big resort perks. It's ideal for honeymooners who want both seclusion and choice. 5. Catalonia Royal Tulum. Catalonia Royal feels like a jungle bay you fell into. Coral sand, mangroves, and even the occasional toucan. This adults-only resort offers roughly 288 rooms, 9 restaurants, 5 bars, a lagoon-style infinity pool, and the Alegria Spa. Activities range from beachfront yoga to snorkeling and kayaking. The hotel's focus on nature means you'll see more wildlife than lobby selfies. With abundant dining options and a private beach, Catalonia Royal balances eco-vibes and creature comforts beautifully. A top pick for those who want luxury immersed in green. 4. Bahia Principe Gran Coba. Gran Coba is the family-focused playground. Villa-style rooms, 2 lagoon pools, and an on-site water park that keeps small people busy for hours. With 7 restaurants and 7 bars, dining options cover everything from teppanyaki to beach grills. Kids clubs, mini discos and baby stations, cribs, high chairs, make traveling with little ones genuinely manageable. Adults still get spa time, golf nearby, and evening shows. If your trip pivots around kid-friendly energy and non-stop activities, Gran Coba is built for happy chaos. 3. Core Tulum Retreat and Spa. Core is quiet luxury in action, an adults-only boutique resort with 94 sea view suites, a focused spa, daily yoga, and wellness programming. The aesthetic leans Asian Zen meets jungle minimalism, and the staff curates calm, kayak tours at sunrise, personalized spa plans, and a small roster of culinary options, 2 restaurants, 2 bars. It's intimate, restorative, and ideal for people who want to unplug without sacrificing comfort. Think meditation at dawn, pranayama by the sea, and long, slow dinners under the stars. Dreams. Tulum Resort and Spa. Dreams is the versatile crowd pleaser. Roughly 432 rooms, swim-up suites, a large free-form pool, and a spa by Pavonia. 9 restaurants and 7 bars span buffet, Mexican, Asian, and steakhouse options. Kids and teens get explorers and core zone programs. There's a secluded adults-only pool for date nights and even complimentary green fees at a nearby golf course. Dreams aims to be everything for everyone, and often succeeds. Families, couples, and multi-generational groups all find their niche here. 1. Bahia Principe Gran Tulum. At the top sits Bahia Principe Gran Tulum, a large beachfront resort with modern Mayan-inspired decor, 3 outdoor pools, 4 restaurants, and 6 bars, plus a full Bahia spa. Kids splash in water parks or the mini club, while adults golf, snorkel, or even take a nearby dolphin swim excursion. It's a resort of generous scale. Multiple pools, a wide beach, and dining variety that keep every day fresh. For active honeymooners and families who want equal parts activity and relaxation, Grand Tulum delivers maximal options with a cohesive, well-executed all-inclusive program. And that concludes our list for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please click on the subscribe button and like this video if you haven't already. And remember, every resort we mentioned has its Expedia link in the description, so you can check today's prices right away. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.